Oh yeah. That right there just put a smile on my face.
Hit a button, Morty, give me a beat. Got trap jumping like fraud, 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
I gotta come back here. I gotta come back here to the oil purchase. Oil purchase since off. Maybe behind all these. Go back there and take that thing off. I don't think that thing ain't no good like that. Cause the oil light be coming on. Yeah, the water crank up now. And I got a leak down there too. Probably the real main seal leak. Gotta figure that out too. I put that fuel pump. Been doing good. See, I got the seaside. Man, them things whooped me, boy. You feel me? I started cleaning. I got all the big pieces out of here, but you know, I need a shop vac. So, come back through the vacuum cleaner. You know, I'm pulling all this up, bro. All this coming up. Only thing I like about this stuff here, it pretty much, oh, it's a little crusher right there. But I don't think the floor pan messed up. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't think they messed up, bro. I don't think this protected it from messing up. But I'm putting that up, bro. We're on carpet. Taking all the old junk out of here, bro. Spray the whole car down. Well, spray the whole truck down, inside out. You feel me? Pour the headliner down. But yeah, seats up out of there. Boy, them bolts are so crazy. Get out. And they ain't had no WD-40, man. I had to use a cooking spray. Yeah, though. You feel me? Yeah. Take these off. Yeah. More definitely out of there. Take this out. Put the other one. I got another steering wheel and stuff down here. You feel me? Take this out. It already smelled a little better, bro. These seatbelts gave me a hard time, boy. Oh, they go on. Oh, they new. You feel me? Oh, they gonna be brand new. Man, I'm glad I got that. Why that junk whooped me, y'all? I ain't gonna lie. That junk whooped me, boy. Especially the one right here, boy. He whooped me, boy. I got it out. It ain't break nothing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The crazy thing, right? Look, y'all see that? That panel right there? I need to take that up to pull this up, but how about I just start pulling? It come right up. You feel me? It come right up. Get this out of here, y'all. All this crap up out of here. And it don't smell good, y'all. Get it out of here. It don't smell good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the floors are good. The floors are good. Okay. I got something to work with. The floor is good. Yeah, thank God for that plastic being now. Thank God for that plastic being now. My floor is good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That right there just put a smile on my face. I know the Chevy floors had a little rust on them. Well, they don't say a little rust, they had holes. Not all the floors, just I think it was the driver or the passenger, or was it both? But they had holes. They had holes in the floor. This straight, that little stuff ain't nothing right there. Go over to the other side of pull that junk up out of here. Back with y'all. Pull it up out the other side, get back with y'all. Yeah. Got this side out now too, y'all. Y'all see the flow good. Woo-hoo! I ain't gonna lie, bro. That jump put a smile on my face, boy. Them flows is good. I gotta get a shop back, man, so I can go in there. So I'm saying, get all that up out of here. And I need to get a wire wheel. Hit some of them, hit them rough spots. You know what I'm saying? Hit them rough spots. I can go and repaint this floor. You know what I'm saying? Rough spot, paint that floor. Put some sounding down, what they call that, kill mat or some dynamite. Put all that down. But I'm gonna pressure wash the inside of the truck, y'all. I'm gonna pressure wash all that. You feel me? I ain't gonna say all that, but I ain't gonna pressure wash, but I'm gonna pressure wash. I probably cover that up. But I'm gonna pressure wash everything else. I need to take this headliner down. I need to get to. You can take that on down too. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all just stay tuned in, man. Y'all ain't see. You know, I got pieces. This is Trailblazer SS right here, y'all. Trailblazer SS right here. This for that door. They go to this door. See? If I'm not mistaken, shit, this still roll down. Yeah. This to make this door power like this. Yeah, this power. So this to make that door power. That door already been turned power. We have power doors. Yeah, these mirrors, you know, going new school mirrors. Yeah, man. Gotta get a shop vac.